Virginia, aka Tanzy the Glow Up Guru, and welcome back to my channel. If you're an oldie but goodie subscriber, thank you for showing back up. And if you're a newbie and you're not subscribed, what is you doing? With silicone in them. So you see, excuse my fingernails, guys. It's because of the red or burgundy dye. But this is what the bead looks like. Come on, girl, work with me. This is what the bead looks like. Burgundy on the outside, clear, rubbery substance on the inside that is made of silicone. So the aluminum bead is aluminum itself. The inside is silicone. The inside is to protect your hair from the friction of the aluminum. So basically, if it was just the aluminum bead, your hair would probably be ripping and not be in its best health. So make sure you get the beads with the aluminum in them. Majority of the time they come with aluminum in them. So yeah. So you will need beads. And guys, I have an Amazon links underneath my videos. I'd appreciate if you would purchase through them. They actually help my channel because everything in my channel I bought. So yeah, help a sister out. That helps me have a little bit of extra income so I can continue to put these videos out. And there'll be links to these beads and so forth and other stuff. And then right here I have the Microlink crochet latch hook for my microlinks. It's a miniature crochet hook or latch hook. And this right here is basically a little pliers. There you go. And these are little pliers, they're curved. I actually use these to take my beads out because of the it's the grip and the fact that it has that curve in it. Now you could actually use that to put your microlinks in if you want to, but I prefer to use these pliers I got from the Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. If you know, you know. And basically I just put it. Hey guys, so I got this hair from my local beauty supply. It's in the color 425, which is like a burgundy. Okay, and I'm gonna put that in my hair. And the style is for a kinky loop. And it is crochet loop, easy and fast styling. So since it's crochet loop, there's like a big loop on it to basically crochet it into your hair, which I'm not gonna use. And you can actually take it off. It's a little rubber band, twist it on the hair. So I'm gonna show you that. And guys, that bag, that packet of hair, I think cost me like $5.99 at my local beauty supply store, maybe $6.99. They be going up in the prices. Right in there, little, if you can see the plastic rubber band, and then it's got like a little loop right there to put your latch hook through. This is good for crochet hair as well. Crochet it into your hair if you have crochet braids. And what you can do is just pull it. You take your needle and thread, okay? You put the bead on it, on the needle. You can see. And make sure you pull the knot close to the where the bead is. So you see that knot you made? Well, we'll make whatever. Put the bead, make sure the knot is close to probably gonna do one in slow motion. We shall see. This next one probably be in slow motion. I just want to do an in-depth tutorial, guys. take your little latch crochet hook, and put it underneath the bead. Get the hair on there. And sometimes you'll have a little bit of excess hair, that's fine. And then you open the beads loop, not the bead loop, the hair that has been pulled through. And that basically covers the bead. Okay? You're starting to grow back after COVID. Let's try it one more time, same one. Make sure you go in towards the root at the middle of the bead. Be gentle, guys, because you don't want the bead to rip out your hair if you have short hair. Okay? And just cover it up, the bead itself. Now just use just enough to get it under the bead without basically hurting or ripping your hair, because you can, if you pull it through too much hair through the bead, you could rip your own hair, especially if it's short. And sometimes if it ever gets locked in, like how the, like, see, I made a mistake. You just push it through. If your hair ever gets stuck, and then pull it out. You close the hook. So if it's stuck like this, let's say you're trying to pull it, push the needle through, close it, and pull it back through, and you're free. And guys, I've been doing this technique since I was like, it's all fluffy. So now what I'm gonna do is take some extreme gel. You could probably get away with Eco Styler, but I like this extreme gel. And so what you're gonna do is take it through your hair. And this is gonna give it a more realistic look. And just keep going. And just keep going, pulling it through, raking it through. Be gentle. If your hair is short, please be very gentle, because you don't want to pull beads out.